Hi, this video is about a prosthesis which is used to replace missing teeth, and it's called removable partial denture. In this video we are talking about the flexible removable partial denture. In short, it's called RPD. And this flexible RPD is always better than the normal conventional RPD in compared to so many parameters, like the flexibility produces greater result, better stability, better retention, and better chewing ability. So it's always better than the conventional RPD. And there's one more advantage, that a clasp or a retention hook is not given in case of a flexible RPD, so it does not produce any harm to the teeth and the gums. And in the normal RPD, the hook is always given, so sometimes it keep on troubling gums or the teeth. It might damage the teeth, making more sensitive towards heat and cold sensation. So flexible RPD is always better than the conventional one. And because of this adaptability, the upper and lower teeth are in good contacts, so patient chewing ability also increases when compared to the conventional one. And the color is almost matching with the surrounding teeth structures and the gum tissues. And it can be taken out very easily, and it can be put it back with just light pressure from the top surface. And there is one precaution should be taken. If it's not being used in the mouth, it should not be ever kept dry. We should always keep in the water, otherwise there could be dimension changes and it may not fit properly. So whenever you are not using this removable partial denture, you should always keep in the water. And here the patient is showing how to take this RPD out and how to put it back, and you must have observed that how easily she is doing so. So if you have liked my video, then please do not forget to subscribe and like my channel, and thanks for the watch.